Hello, my friends. It's Sunday evening. I don't usually do pours in the evening or when my husband's here, especially because he can get a little loud in the other room. But he is busy watching football and I'm not interested in that, so here I am. I'm going to be doing a swipe today with Artist Loft Ready Mix Pouring Paints, which I have extended with a glue and Floetrol mix. I'll detail it all down below. If I don't extend them and I add silicone, I get really weird looking cells. In fact, I'll show you an example of the weird cells. This is the look I like to get, and I get this by extending it. So this is what I'm going for today, that look. But let me grab one I was just looking at that was done without, straight from the bottle with silicone. Weird. Some may find that appealing, but I don't like the look of it at all. So that's why I like to extend them, get nice lacy cells. All right. My colors today are silver, white with a little bit of violet. Now I bought this on clearance. I'm hoping it's not going to ruin my my pour by using, you know, what I assume is old stock. I don't know. White with a little bit of bright blue. This is the same violet with a little bit of black for darker violet. White, and my swipe color is black, and I've added 2 drops of silicone to the black, only the swipe color. Mixed it in well. And my swipe tool is this wonderful piece of plastic. Came with the packaging with these 12 by 12s, I'm sure. And it's just a really nice swipe tool, and doesn't exactly meet the edges, but I always tilt anyway, so it doesn't matter. So here we go. I'm gonna lay down the colors. I could do a flip cup and then swipe, but I kind of like the, I think I put this down in stripes, and it just, I like it. It's interesting. So that's what I'm doing again. Okay, now I'm going to tilt a bit, fill in the tiny little gaps. I'll leave a little space up there for the black. Kind of a fun color scheme, different than my usual. I love blues so much, and oranges. I know there's a lot of purple fans out there. I've run out of freezer paper, but I had some of these puppy piddle pads. I should have turned it over so I could scrape up my drippings, but too late now. Okay. I have the black, and I shall swipe. So I just used regular silicone, 100% silicone. 2 drops in this 1.5 ounces of paint, only the black. A nice big stripe of it along the top there. I wonder if if I want to add any more down here. I think I will, just for drama, in case I run out of oomphy. Maybe that'll help a little bit. We'll see. I have a little bit left. I could probably do a small canvas. And here we go. All right. Beautiful, pristine piece of plastic is no longer pristine. All right, lots of good looking cells there. Now I'm gonna, I'll hit it with a torch and then I'll tilt. All right, that's good enough. All right. The black is never as pretty as the white. I don't know why. I had an idea that I might embellish this in some kind of Halloween something or other. That's why I went with the purples, to be honest, but we'll see. Now I'm just gonna go side to side to have them grow. Side to side, up and down. I have my window closed, but my teenage neighbors have got a drum set, and one of them's pretty good at it, and one of them is not, and the not so good one is now performing. So get rid of that solid black there. Well, it's different. The silver is never attractive when it's wet, but when it dries, it looks pretty good. Go down back that way just a little. Or no, I like the dark. I like the dark contrast. I'll leave that. I think that's it. What can I say? I think the black and white are totally different. I mean, the properties in them, I believe, are different. So you get a different look. The white is more lacy. The black creates more of a cell look. you know what I mean. Let's just see if I can get any more little cells in some of this negative space. And as I said, I wonder if that purple was faulty, you know, being old stock. Is there a date on there? 2023. Ah, so it is old. What's the date on this black? 2020. Oh my gosh, that's really old. Nice white color. Well, I might as well look at all of them. What's this one? This I bought recently, 2024. 2021. I don't know if this even has a date on it, these little ones. But I know I got this on clearance as well. So, you know, check the dates. It's always best to pick the current stock if possible. Lesson learned. All right, let me bring you in for a closer look. I still think it's kind of fun. It could work as a background for a Halloween thing, although it's only a couple of weeks away. I don't know that I'll get to it this year. Could be next. Or just let it be. Okay, my friends. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.